The Poseidon UUV, also known as Status 6, is one of the most powerful and controversial military weapons in the world. Developed by Russia, this is a nuclear-powered, autonomous underwater drone designed to strike strategic targets thousands of kilometers away, including coastal cities and naval bases. Nuclear-powered engine. Unlike conventional torpedoes, Poseidon has its own small nuclear reactor. This allows it to travel thousands of kilometers without refueling, giving it unprecedented endurance and strategic reach. Extreme range. Estimates suggest it can cover over 10,000 kilometers, allowing it to potentially strike distant countries from Russian waters without requiring surface ships to approach enemy territories. High speed. Capable of underwater speeds of 70 to 100 knots, 130 to 185 km per hour, it is much faster than most conventional submarines, making interception extremely difficult. Depth capabilities. The Poseidon can dive to hundreds of meters, operating below typical sonar detection levels. This stealth feature allows it to bypass conventional anti-submarine defenses. Massive nuclear payload. It can carry a thermonuclear warhead, reportedly up to 100 megatons, far exceeding the destructive power of any single bomb used in history. The design allows for tsunami-like waves, potentially devastating coastal regions. Autonomous navigation and AI guidance. Poseidon is designed to travel autonomously, navigating underwater obstacles while avoiding detection. It uses sophisticated AI and GPS guidance to find and strike its target. Second strike capability. Poseidon ensures a retaliatory nuclear strike even if land-based missiles are destroyed. Its underwater stealth makes it almost impossible to neutralize in advance. Naval warfare game changer. Traditional naval defenses, including anti-submarine systems, struggle to detect and counter such a fast, deep-diving drone. Psychological deterrent. Merely the existence of Poseidon acts as a powerful deterrent, signaling Russia's ability to deliver catastrophic strikes without direct confrontation. Global security risks. The massive nuclear payload makes accidental launches or malfunctions extremely dangerous. A single strike could destroy entire coastal cities. Arms race trigger. Poseidon has fueled tensions in military circles, prompting other nations to consider developing similar autonomous underwater weapons. Environmental catastrophe. If detonated, the radioactive fallout would be devastating for marine life and humans alike, with long-lasting global effects. Unmatched range plus speed. It can strike from halfway across the globe faster than most defenses can react. Deep stealth capability. Operating below typical sonar detection levels gives it an enormous tactical advantage. Autonomous operation. Can navigate without a crew, reducing risk to personnel while increasing operational flexibility. Massive destructive power. Far exceeds conventional nuclear torpedoes or bombs in sheer destructive scale.